Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing my first time ever to do a Juvia's place makeup haul, and the reason why this will be my first and last order from their website. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. Passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. I appreciate all your support, guys. Just wanted to find out what makeup products that I've actually purchased from Juvia's place straight from their website. Reason why this will be my first and last order from their website. Please keep on watching. Give you a quick feedback, guys, about what happened to my order. I do own a couple of Juvia's place eyeshadow palettes, guys, which is this one, see guys, and I originally purchased them from Beauty Bay, but unfortunately Beauty Bay no longer stock Juvia's place. I've actually decided to straight to their website, and that way I'll be able to get new products that I wanted to try, especially their foundation and the concealer. I've actually been watching Nikki tutorials. I actually placed my order on the 2nd of December last year, and I've actually did pay $68 US dollars, and that got converted into Australian dollars, was which was $92.25. So that is actually a lot of money, guys, here in Australia. And I've actually checked my order on that probably the next day, and it actually showed on the fulfillment status that it's been fulfilled. So I'm thinking, oh, it's probably on the way, but I've actually never got any tracking number at all. Make great products, guys, to get more products from them. 4 weeks now, guys, and there's actually no trace as to what's happening with my order. I actually went straight to their website, and I've actually filled in the form, you know, like fill in the form and someone will email you back. This is probably about 4 days later. I didn't get any email, so I went straight into the Facebook and checked their Facebook page. I sent a message, and 2 days later I've actually got a reply back. It was actually a very nice and polite reply. You know, that person would just need to follow up with the fulfillment team. So I've actually, what I did, I actually went back to the website and got their email address, and then sent them directly to their email address. And I've actually got a generated message that, you know, that they've received my message about an inquiry, and someone will email me. A lady was very apologetic, and you know, she seems really nice, emailing me, and she told me that, you know, I did told her about what happened, and also on, you know, in regards to the Facebook message as well. She said that she will follow up with the fulfillment team. You know, 4 days later I still haven't got any reply back, so I sent another email. But this time I said, you know, I can't keep waiting on my order. You know, I've been waiting it too long already. I want my money back. That's what I just said, because I've just had enough doing that, because really it's actually time consuming. You know, why do I need to keep following it up? That I just left it, guys. I just left it, and because it's actually not doing any good to me, because I've been stressing every time I sent them an email, and getting frustrated for, you know, for not getting any answer what's going on with my order. 15th of February I finally really received my order that I've actually purchased from Juvia's place. I picked up their Wahala Mini Lip Duo, and I've actually paid $10 US dollars. This is like in bundle, guys. I just can't really remember. I think they're all like in bundles. So I've actually bought like a bundle. I think this is included on the bundle, which is the highlighter, Verity highlighter, which is like a gold. I think look like a gold highlighter, guys. Okay. The Nubian, oh gosh. Nubian. So this is more like a very neutral shades eyeshadow palette. The Nubian too. So yeah, this is like a full-size eyeshadow palette. Carolina blush, and I paid $7 US dollars. You know, they've actually got a very amazing eyeshadow palettes. So this is actually the blush. This is actually like a tangerine color blush. And I've got the concealer. Ulta do keep Juvia's place. I'm also in a search, you know, to find out whereabouts get the Juvia's place makeup products here in Australia, and which website would you recommend it for me to check it out. Please comment down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.